Happy Saturday from Erstaviksbadet, my go-to spot when I'm a bit tired over the weekend, but I still want to visit the sea. And I have this heaven, little piece of heaven, just 16 kilometers away from my home. And it is a very nice cycling route, mostly road, around 12 kilometers, and the last 4 kilometers it is off-road in the beautiful nature reserve of Erstavik. You can see my Scott private bike that got me all the way here, and I have opted today to stay on the beautiful sandy beach Erstaviksbadet, as you can see. And it is obviously this nice sandy beach out on the Baltic Sea. This is the main part of the beach, and there is even a smaller part of the beach around that bay over there that you can see, and all around it is forest that you can see over here. And it is 14th of September 2024. We have 18 degrees Celsius in the air and basically very low wind, and 17 degrees Celsius I just measured in the Baltic Sea. And Erstavik Nature Reserve and the beach I have shown you many times before on my channel. This year I have been coming here quite a lot, actually, if I'm gonna be very honest, but it is so beautiful and so nice, and it is one of my closest beaches to the Baltic Sea, and it's amazing cycling road as well. And today is beach the number 148 of my Sweden beach adventures, so we continue strong, and on Monday we're gonna celebrate 150 beach days if all goes well, which means I'm very close to last year's record. Currently it is 2:40 p.m. and earlier this morning I actually went for a body pump class, so now that's why I'm a bit late out today, but it's still quite amazing and super nice indeed. So let's then get going for a swim in the Baltic Sea. Woohoo! Yes, so happy that I am out exploring this beautiful sandy beach. As you can see, it's quite amazing and quite the view. This is obviously in Nacka municipality. That on the other side is Tyresö, and the water, as you can see, it's so crystal clear and nice and beautiful. It's so amazing view here indeed. And if you don't prefer the sandy beach, there is even a rocky area as well right next in continuation with the beach. But look at the beach, it's so amazing. Who can tell that this is 14th September in Sweden, and it looks quite amazing, like a super sunny and hot day, like here in the Mediterranean somewhere indeed. Alright, that means that we are ready for a swim here in this super clear water of the Baltic Sea at Erstaviksbadet in Nacka. 17 degrees Celsius in the sea, as I mentioned, so perfect for a swim. Let's go! It was so amazing. I can't describe the feeling. It was definitely a great decision to come here and to enjoy this wonderful piece of nature. As you can see, it is obviously Saturday, so I will be chilling here throughout the whole day, and hopefully there won't be much more wind later. So yes, it is here mostly at the entrance, mostly sandy, with some plants here afterwards, some seaweed. So let's dive in once again because it is a very nice and beautiful day. Maybe I will capture a nice thumbnail for this video. So let's go. Not really sure if there was something in there, but I really enjoyed it anyway, and I'm so happy right now with this wonderful view over here at Erstaviksbadet. Alright, so with this beautiful overview of Erstaviksbadet and the same named nature reserve, that is a wrap for now. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.